Greetings from Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited. I am Jignesh Pandya, Senior Research Analyst from Equity Research Team. For the week gone by, benchmark index closed with 2.45% weekly cut at 17,672 level. However, banking index underperformed the benchmark index as it closed with 3% cut at 39,116 level. Among the Nifty constituents, Ultratech Cement and Asian Paints closed with 6.8% and 4% gains, while Axis Bank and NTPC lagged as they closed with 9% and 8.5% cut respectively. Among the Bank Nifty constituent, Axis Bank underperformed the banking index as it closed with 9.15% cut. Among sectors, MNC and PSU Bank index performed better as they closed the week with 0.31% and 0.07% gains, while PSE and Energy were the laggards as they closed with 4.35% and 4.30% cut respectively. Volatility index, that is India VIX, closed with 0.68% cut and closed at 17.43 level. FII were net sellers during the week as they sold equities worth 15,702 crores, while DII were the net buyers during the week as they bought equities worth 9,428 crores in the cash segment. Globally, equity markets closed higher during the week as US market, that is Dow Jones Industrial Average, and European market, that is DAX, closed with 0.40% and 0.94% gains respectively. Technical outlook on Nifty. Benchmark index traded volatile and closed with bearish candlestick formation in the last week. After the recent fall, Nifty has reached near to its immediate support zone of 17,600 followed by 17,550 level. However, sustenance below this zone can trigger further downside. For the coming week, benchmark index has support at 17,350 followed by 17,250 level and resistance at 18,000 followed by 18,100 level. Technical outlook on Bank Nifty. Banking index traded volatile and closed with bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Volatility can remain elevated in the coming week as well. For the coming week, banking index has support at 38,200 followed by 37,800 level and resistance at 40,000 followed by 40,500 level. We are sure that this brief analysis will help you in taking an investment decision. Thank you for your patient hearing. Happy investing.